Hi friends, today one of the most important topics is lists. Okay, so lists are used to store multi items in a single variable. Okay, so generally Python has some inbuilt data types. Those are actually 4 built-in data types. So that is the lists are one of 4 built-in data types in Python used to store collection of data. Okay, and the other 3 are generally next videos we will discuss, that is tuple, set and a dictionary. Okay. First, how can you create a list? Okay. Generally, for example, if you take this the list, here A is equal to, you can assign the names project and academic. We have 3 strings. Okay, then you can print of A. So here list can be represented with the help of square brackets. In that square brackets you can design, and each string can be segregated by a comma. Okay. So this list is widely used for to collect the data in single variable. Okay. So simply, what is the meaning of list items? List items. So list items are ordered, changeable and allows duplicates. Okay. So what is the meaning of this? Here list items are indexed. The first item has indexed of something 0 and the second item has to be represented as 0. So here the A is the variable, it contains many strings. Okay. So all are, this is item 1, item 2, item 3, like that. At this moment, if you want to represent this first string, that is you can represent as here A of 0, that is A of 0, here A of 1 in square bracket, A of 2, like that you can get the data that is actually indexed. Okay. So that is actually list item is indexed based on that order. So how can you define that order? Order is, when we say that lists are ordered, it means that items have a defined order and that order will not change. Order will not change. Okay. If you add new items to the list, the new items will be placed at the end of the list. So order will not change, but you can add new data at the end of the list. So one more important is, there are some list methods that will change the order, but in general the order of the items will not be changed. That is the role of this order example. What is the definition of changeable? Okay, the list is changeable. The list is changeable. That meaning is that we can change, add, remove items in the list after it has been created. After it has been created. So then we can change or add and remove items in a list after it has been creating. And one is allows duplicates. Allow duplicates is nothing but the list is changeable, meaning that allows this, here indexed list can have item with same value value. You can take that a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 10, and the same number you can same item you can transfer from input to output. For example, I have that a, that is quotation at first word, and the second one is project, and the third one is academy. Maybe you may take that project in the same variable. Here project has repeated twice, so that's why it allows duplicates. That is the meaning of this. Then you can use the print of a, you will get the as it is results. Okay, I mean you can get the quotation, project, academy, and project. We have this type of data you will be get without changing. Okay, that is list length. I am talking about list length. For example, here a value is, you have some list, then you can write that print of length. So you can take len of a, then you will get the result is how many items it has. You will get that all items are 4, like that you will be get. That is the result 1, 2, 3, 4. But position is, that is a of 0, a of 1, and a of 2, a of 3, like that you can display. Next one is here list item data types. So that is list items can be of any data type. For example, string, integer, and boolean data types, like that. For example, if you take a is equal to, you have bus, okay, lorry, bike, like that you can define it. And you can take the b values here. You may take integer also 1, 5, 7, 9, 11, like that you can design. And you can take c values, boolean values, true, true, false, like that you can design this. Okay. So this is the meaning of list of items data types. Okay. And also list contain, for example, a is bus, 5, then false, like that is the combination of all. Okay. Not only particular integer, you may have